Do you want a faster way to launch direction to your home? Let me show you how to use the navigate home routine in mode and routine on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap mode and routine. Now tap discover. Scroll down the screen. Under useful on the go section, select navigate home. Here you will see some preloaded settings. In the if section, it's set to start manually. That means you can start or end the routine by tapping the start or end button on the routine itself or from a widget. In the 10 section, it's set to open an app or do an app action, specifically maps and home. That means when you start this routine, it will instantly open Google Maps and show direction to your home. At the bottom, you will see icons for edit if you want to adjust the setting, share, and save. Tap save to add this routine to your list. So, if you often use navigation to get home, set up the navigate home routine and it will give you direction with a single tap. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.